today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on profile. So when you come to your profile here, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings here. Then you come to settings list. Then all you have to do, just go down, click here on notification filter, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down, come here to top posts from users you follow, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main top posts from users you follow, notifications disable with us now. Go above save, click on it, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.